I wanted to share with you the new way to do one of the best features this app has, the silhouette effect. It is different with the new um, platform for DOINK, but it is possible. So I have found a way to create it once again. So I'm going to actually go ahead and put my do a photo first and put the image in the middle row, just like I did before. So let's grab a photo, one of my students, and from here you can see it looks like it has a black background and everything, but just like the other lesson, you would go into the chroma key tool, and the difference is you see the transparency here. It's just the way it works out. So you still want to go to the color red, and you still want to slide the bar, but as you can see, it doesn't turn black like it did before. It turns transparent, which is pretty great because you can really see where you would need to adjust it. Okay, once you click done, it looks like it's going to be fine, just like before. And the important thing about the silhouette, you don't want to clean up anything yet, not until you create an image, save it here as a silhouette, and then take it into a different project to put it into a background. Because if you clean up the green here, it would just turn black as well. But the difference is now, if you click on image and click capture image, thinking that it's done, this is what you will get instead with the new app update. But that's okay. This is what we're going to do. There's probably other ways to do it, but what I've been doing is I go to the internet and I'm Googling the words black square and finding a black square or whatever you want to put in the background, any color, and saving the image. So now back in the app, that's why I put it in the middle row. The bottom row, we're going to place the black square there. So now we have our background. So before I clean up or crop or anything like that, I'm going to capture this image and click done, save it to camera roll. Now I'm ready to take my silhouette back in to the project to create. So middle row, let's take our new image. Okay, as you see, it's black here, but don't worry about that yet. Go ahead and hit the bottom row. You can put a photo, a video, whatever you like. And let's go ahead and put her on this globe. Now, as you can see, there needs to be some cleanup. And you could crop it in the step before, but I find it easier to clean it up later, just because like I said, if you erase something, it will turn black as well. So go ahead and click on your crop tool to get rid of the real world, I call it. Okay, go into our green screen world. And the thing with the silhouette is you really have to have good lighting and good flooring. As you can see, my floor was kind of a mess, but I'm going to make it work because of the magical mask tool. So go ahead and go in, take your tools, your eraser, your rectangle, whatever you need to get rid of all the excess and clean it up. I'm not going to spend too much time here. The magic wand can work. You just have to be careful. As you can see, the edges of her feet are a little grainy, but if you take your time with it, you can do a really good job. I'm just doing this quickly for you. Okay, as you can see, there's still some more cleanup. My best advice on that is always zoom way in, just like a good graphic designer would. And we'll just go with that. There she is. Okay. And what's really neat too is, you can add videos and things like that, even in the background here. So another shortcut for me is if I want to move something up, I cut and paste it up a row. There's other ways to do that as well. Let me go ahead and throw a video in the background just to jazz it up. And using the new split tool, go ahead and split or trim your video. And there you go. Now, with video in the silhouette, let's go ahead and do that. Once again, lighting is key. All right, so here we go. Let's grab a video. I have chosen this fun jump in slow-mo and click done. You can go ahead and crop it here, but with video, you have to make sure you don't cut arms and legs off, things like that. So same drill, here we go. I'm going to go ahead in the background. Well, first of all, going to hit the chroma key tool, click on red, and as you can see, the floor is not cooperating because it's just the lighting and everything was off, but that's okay. We're still going to use it. You will find that if you see someone wearing blue, that the blue jeans or things that won't work in the silhouette the first time. So I will show you that as well at the end, how to fix that. But there's my silhouette. But once again, if I exported this video, let's see what happens. This actually might work without the black square. I haven't checked this yet, so let's see. Let's go in and see, and actually it did. I didn't need to use my black square. You can always go back in the bottom row and put in the black square. Now, a lot of times with silhouette, what I see people doing, and I did this first, my students do this, is they try to work with this silhouette in the original project. And the problem with that is you won't keep the silhouette effect if you put something, for example, like the clouds in the background here. It's kind of cool because you can actually use this and then take it into another project to take the chroma out. So that is one option if you want to put a video inside people like that. Very cool. Let's see what happens here. Split, cut, and export. But as you see, you still have the green, so you would have to take this into another project, turn on the chroma key to get rid of the green. Okay, but if you want the silhouette effect, the one I just showed you, you need to start a new project with the saved silhouette. Oh, let's see, there it is. Okay, it did work without the blue square, black square, so that's kind of cool. Let's see what it does here. Okay, there it is. And the thing is with video too, when you clean up, if you clean up the floor here, anything that gets erased around a video will make the subjects disappear. But we can, have some cleanup here. But if you do this, my arm will get cut off. So it's just a lot of trial and error. And let me put a background in to show you. Let's go ahead and put that fun video again. And as you can see, some cleanup is needed. Okay, so we're going to crop that, this. I'm going to leave this part for now to see where my arms are. And I can even go in and use the eraser, but once again, be really careful of what you erase, because if I erase something where my body will go over that area, that part of my body will disappear. So I'm not going to touch the floor. So as you can see, that works just fine, but because of the floor, one of my tips and tricks is to maybe move your subjects down and just have to let go of the whole feet part and make it work for you in your creativity. So hopefully that is helpful for you. I will come back later and show you how to do the blue properly, but I hope that's helpful, and we'll get you all on your way creating awesome silhouettes. Thanks for being here.